Alright guys, still your boy Big Tank from Double South, and we see them on this our website Matter they go now. So this tutorial now, I want just do the slider now. That means when we click now, we're supposed to slide these pictures now. So what I could do, get on live web like I the live for slider, they call it swiper and slider like that. So I'll come in, I'll say swiper slider, search for Google. Then the same now, swiper. So this first link now you click on. So when you click on now, it will carry you enter inside this this website now. So what I go do, I go right click on these demos now, open link from YouTube here because I'll check on later. Then I'll come in, I'll download. So when you come in download now, you see different release where they get now. So the first one you need to, now this one now will be the latest now. Now you just collect now. So this zip now, when you click on, it go download that for you. But better say I already downloaded that before now, I need to download them again. So if you see inside my project folder here now, I get one folder called Libs now, LIBS now, short form for libraries. Then if I put the folder now, see my own swiper for here. I already unpack them now. So when I unpack them now, you click on this folder now, DIST now. You click on, then you see CSS and GS. Inside the CSS now, you copy this swiper.me now. You copy and put up inside your CSS folder now, which is this folder here. You see, I already put up here now. So swiper.me. Then if you go back now, or that one day again for the JavaScript now, this swiper.me. You copy it now, then you go put it inside the JavaScript folder for now, this swiper.me where you see now. So before I go show now how to use them, I go show now some of the demos where they get there and the one we need now. So if you come this demo here now, say you see and say they get this default one like you see just the slide, not get anything. Then the one be like say get navigation. Like just navigation like that they get. The same. So it's all we need there. Now this one now we won't need so the one we get navigation because if you go back to our design now, you see and see we'll get navigation here like this. So now what we need be this. So what I'll just do, I'll come the demo here now. I'll open the source code now and see. So if you see the source code now, see the way they call out, I increase this thing small. If you see the way they call their own now, they make sure see they link the CSS, the style sheet for here. Just lock up all this styling, we don't need them. Then they still link the JavaScript file too for here. Then they can initialize the slider for this place now. So we'll need all this code. Then if you look the way they do now for here, then they make sure say they first call this swiper container now will be this div. Then inside I get this shide now will be swiper wrapper. Then this swiper wrapper now I need to wrap all the slides, then I go the slide. But this swiper container now, it wrap this swiper wrapper, then you see they wrap all these buttons there now, so which is those two arrow. Then where like see you see all the slide, where be these two arrow now. So this swiper container and the wrapper. Then for other ones now like say get all this pagination now, so you see the wrapper. So what do we need? Might just enter the code quickly now. I'll come this place now, see link. So the link now CSS/swiper. We need this one. Then if I go down again, just after this place now, before the closing body tag now, I'll see script. So this script now, I'll target my swiper too now. No, this one now. Swiper. Alright. So I'll target them. The next one I go do now. If you go back to the browser and see the way they initialize one now, we need this code. So I'll just copy it quickly. I'm not getting to type right now. So I'll copy it. I'll paste them for here. You see how? So this is variable now swiper. Then they initialize the swiper container. You see how? Then the navigation is just there. So this will go do now. So we'll go what we want to navigate the picture now. Where the place now? So now be this place now. So this place here. So what we'll go do for here now? Yeah? We go create the swiper container now inside here. So I'll just go quickly now. I'll just say swiper container. So inside swiper container now, we'll get swiper wrapper. swiper wrapper. Then the swiper wrapper now, you could get swiper slide. Swiper slide. So don't get this one now. So inside the swiper slide now, so now there we'll go paste this image. So I'll just put on quickly now. So I don't put the image now. So more go back now, more see what we'll get first. So I'll refresh. Now the same setting the drag, meaning it all did there. So more just add more pictures now. If you see my this thing, I already get more pictures here now. Just swipe 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So I'll just duplicate this swiper slide and not be the image I'll duplicate to. If I duplicate like this, it's not gonna work. Now this one and I go duplicate swiper slide. If you go back to their demo, show you the same now. You see and see now the swiper slide now they duplicate plenty like this now. So now it's 1 to 2. So I'll come here now. I'll duplicate the swiper slide like this. 4 now. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Then swiper 2, swiper 3, and swiper 4. You see now so. So I'll go back to the browser and mouse shaker. I'll refresh. Then this answer will get on now. See. If you don't say meditate, they go around safe. So it will just come here and I'll add one small code. Now after this navigation, I'll just say loop. Then true. I'll refresh. So that's how the slides in they go. So I want to such a way that if we click on for here now, this one with the control. If I go back to the code now, so if you see that demo, so they do the put these 2 buttons for here now. So this swiper button like this. I might just copy the button, make I put on. So I'll put on for here. After the swiper slide. No, with inside. After this wrapper now, because I'm shy of the swiper container. So I'll put on for there. Like this. Then I'll go back to my code number C. So you see the picture, the stuff they appear for here now. So meaning if we click now, the slide. But now you want me to affect. So what we'll do we'll customize our own now. This button next now, so this class now, so we'll carry more for here. We'll put on for this button now, so which is this next button. You see how? Then we'll carry this one. We'll cut and we'll put on for here, which is the previous button. We'll delete 2 come out. So I'll go back, I'll refresh. Now you see and say it all come this place now. Meaning if we click now you see the effect. But we need to do it in such a way that our button will resemble the way we want to make it be before. So I'll just inspect the element quickly now. Inspect the element now, make a see what it be like say we'll get for here now. So select this button. You see see their CSS file here now. So all these their stuff now they override now. So most of it do. If we change position from absolute to static now, most see. You see then come out top now, make it 0. Then width on set and height. Mostly inherit. We'll not touch margin top of it. I'm going to just touch and I'm going to make it 0 so that will come down. Then waiting again. This image today, the background image, more disable on first. Okay. So meaning if we disable background image or previous button, we'll select this one now to disable them, then you go see it there. Okay. So don't know what we want now. So what we'll do, I'll target the 2 button class now. So I'll come this place now. I'll see where the button there now. So I think the button footer btn like that now. I'm gonna put them after before. I'm gonna just duplicate this one for here. So this footer btn now. So I'll say when you enter inside now, target swiper button next. Then we'll see target swiper but in previous. So I'll delete this to come out now. They'll two talk now. Say position will be static. Then top 0. Width we're gonna set on set. Then height we'll make an inherit. Sorry, not done well. Then margin top could be 0. Then background image will be none. So if I go back now, refresh now. Okay, we don't get the effect now. You see how also. The next they go back now. It's that's our example. We'll check that now. We suppose make the thing they autoplay. So what if we do if we see write more code now? If you go this place now, although I know the code shall be, it might just show now. I think autoplay the one place or button here. Because I get so many. So if you come here yourself here, just the play around. See it's already autoplay now. So if you see source code now, if you see source code, what we need here, we need this one now. So you see autoplay now. So I'll select this one, Ctrl C, and I'll copy paste now for here. Where are now? Autoplay. After the loop. Okay. So 200 milliseconds. So when we fast forward now, if we just say like 500 milliseconds, now I think we should the speed in here. The speed razor. You see, like that. So if we do the same for this one self, so that it could go together with time. What we'll do, we'll come here now. Then we'll see wrap this one now. So exactly what to wrap this other guy. I just copy and click so I'm not getting to type in many things. I'll come in and just say swiper container now. I'll copy him. The D here. So we'll delete all these ones now, reach here. We'll carry this paragraph, put inside here. Then we'll delete these ones. Okay. So I'll just duplicate this one. Then I'll just put any text now that's shiny, so I did put away. We'll delete them, not to plenty like that. Okay, I'm gonna go check the code now. So come here, refresh. See how now? So I say the screw. So if you even create more safe. See how? If you create more. Like this now. See this here now. So we don't get this effect now. So the next effect I want to do now, so now this glitch effect now, so that the thing with the glitch now. So the one we need now for this jQuery script.net site now. So I'll just paste the link for here. I will see paste link or button. Paste link or button. So when I paste down here now, you see at least as sorry, when I say paste up a button, so meaning for the description then I go make sure that this link there. So that I can actually access them now. So you see the place where if you download and if you come in and if you download the size of the file now, so see size, is that what you talk now? So more of download now. So when I download that now, I go call my libraries here. It's in download enter. I'll cut, then I'll paste them. Oh yeah. Extract the file. When I extract them now, that's what I get. So they get the CSS and the JavaScript file. So now just to copy the CSS and the JavaScript, I did copy them before, sure. To copy the CSS now, put up inside the CSS folder. Then the JavaScript now put up the JavaScript folder. The one we'll do for the swiper too. That's what we'll do. So when you do that one, see my own there, jQuery glitch. Then if I come to JavaScript now, see my own there too. So when you do that one, what you go do? If you look the button, see where they say you take user and how to use it. So I say you go wrap the text web like you want me glitch here inside a div class now. Then you call that class glitch. You see? Then this plugin now says since now jQuery plugin now, you need to make sure say you download jQuery now. So just enter Google now. You enter jQuery. So you see jQuery website now. So if you come jQuery website, then go download the jQuery, the same for here now. So come here, you click on the one you want to download like that. So you know the drill. But you make sure say that jQuery this in there. How do I do it? See me. I don't go close this thing. But any actually more they go. How do I do it? Run so I go show now the way. So what you go do? You go make sure say you call that jQuery. The jQuery glitch, the CSS file. So after this place now, just duplicate this one also. CSS / jQuery glitch.css. Then I'll come down here. See script source. So first come my jQuery file now. Then I'll call the jQuery glitch file now. So now I don't call her now. So the one be like say we want target now. This text now, this tranquility text. Now I want target. So the target and I want to go do. We'll come here. We'll go wrapper now. Like this. So on wrapper now, it already there. What we'll do next now, we'll go this script here now, then we'll type the script. What you just do, you see $, because now jQuery code now, so we'll target that div now, that glitch now. GLITCH. We'll target the glitch now, then we'll say glitch now. We'll call the glitch class. Whatever. We'll call the glitch class now. We'll put our curly brace like this. Then we'll say layers. Then we'll write the CSS now. RGB. So the first color one I want now. I just say red first. Then the next color I'm gonna put like a green. You see? Then the offset now. So we'll enter the browser now, then we'll test. Refresh. Okay. You see how it's the happen now, but this got push go up now. So we'll inspect the element here now. So go inspect the element, then we'll see sleek, tranquility. We'll target this glitch first, we'll see. Position relative for the glitch. The display absolute. We'll change on to relative. Okay. So to put relative now, see I say it does job corner now. So meaning we'll go override this glitch dot display now. So if we do now figure our code here now, so then for the CSS, we'll try to override down. So must see which place be this now. Each one for section title. So find section title here. Maybe this one now. I'll duplicate this one. Then I'll say dot place dot display. So now because now just say position relative. Now refresh. And let it just set where now. So you see now, so they show the red and the green. So if you want to change the color self, if you come here now, so change out any color you like. If you put orange and pink, you see how they change. So depending on what you want to do, so I'll just leave out for the red and green here, and like this, we'll finish our website. You see how. So based on what we're talking now, do we talk now? We'll see what we're doing. Exactly the way we're talking. Alright, so any I'll just follow the tutorial and understand this thing better again. You get. So I see me earlier about Big Tank from Double South, and you know the be now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more sweet tutorial like this. And I know follow hand at all. So thank you.